Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, let's talk about something really close to our hearts, Mother's Day. Why do we celebrate it? And what makes this day so special? Mother's Day is all about honoring the amazing women who raised us, cared for us, and shaped who we are today. It's a day to say thank you for the love, the sacrifices, and the endless support moms give, often without expecting anything in return. It's about making moms feel seen, loved, and appreciated. Whether it's a handmade card, a thoughtful gift, or just spending quality time together, every little gesture counts. So, this Mother's Day, let's make it special. Surprise your mom or the mother figure in your life with something from the heart, because she deserves it every day, but especially on this one. Her idea, her talent, learn from her. If you're looking for unique gift ideas, stay tuned. I've got beautiful handmade hanky for my mom. Let's start. Grab a hanky, some thread and needle, obviously a hoop. Finally, it's done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this hand embroidery project and feel inspired to create your own beautiful gift. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY and craft ideas. And don't forget to leave a comment. I'd love to hear how your project turned out. See you in the next video.